Hello guys, welcome to Baseline Schedule course. My name is Syed Wasim Akram. I have 11 years of real life planning engineer experience in Saudi Arabia. I work with many clients and projects. In this course, I want to share my practical work to prepare baseline schedule. This course is for who are freshers in planning and who want to grow their career in planning engineer life. I have also YouTube channel with the name of Project Management and Planning P6. If you want to learn about planning, join this course and also join my YouTube channel for the latest videos. Table of contents for this course are baseline inputs, create WEPS and project, create WBS work breakdown structure, create activities, sequence activities, estimate activity duration, develop preliminary schedule, estimate resources, assign cost resources, then develop baseline schedule and baseline outputs.